Hi, my name is John Burns from Final Cut Pro Classes. I'd like to show you how to use the ratings in Final Cut Pro X. The first thing we'll look at is what the ratings are: hide, rejected, no ratings or keywords, favorites, rejected, unused. So hide, rejected, that's pretty easy. If you click on a clip or a picture and you hit delete, you'll see a red line goes through the clip right there, which means it's been rejected. You didn't delete it out of your window. So if I delete this, this, and this, it's still there. It just has a red line saying that you rejected it or deleted it. If you say hide rejected clips, you'll see that those disappear. So now if you have it on hide rejected, if you click on a clip and hit delete, it will disappear from your browser. But it's not really gone. If you say all clips again, you'll see those deleted clips come back with the red lines on them. If you want to get rid of those red lines or any rating, if you click on the clip and go to mark and say unrate, and you hit U on the keyboard, it will take that red line off of there. So you can click on a few clips and then take the ratings off of them and hit U on the keyboard or go to mark and hit unrate. You can see all those lines disappear. And I missed a couple here. I'm holding the command key down and hit U on the keyboard. So that's how you use the hide rejected. No ratings and keywords. If you have something with a rating, if I say rejected even, or I make it a favorite, then they're going to also disappear from the browser because you have a keyword on them. So if you have this on no ratings or keywords, it's only going to show you the clips that have no ratings. And as soon as you put a rating on it, whether it's a favorite or a rejected, it will disappear from your browser. So now we have unused clips. Basically is everything you didn't use in your project. It has nothing to do with the ratings. It's if you use something in your timeline, it won't be in the unused window. It only shows you clips that are unused in your project. So now we're going to go to favorites. If I click on the favorites, I don't see anything in the window because I have not chosen any favorites yet. I'll go back to all clips. So to choose a favorite, you can click on a clip and you can go to mark and you can go to favorite, and the shortcut key is F. And that's going to put a green line in your clip or your picture. So if I hit this and I go to mark and I go to favorite, it puts a green line, and if I hit F on the keyboard, it also puts a green line on it. So I picked 3 favorites here, and if I go to favorites, I should see those 3 clips, which are right there. So another thing I like about favorites is that you can save ins and outs with the favorites. So here, let's say that I go to a video here, and I want to choose some ins and outs. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, time-wise. So here I can scrub the video a little better. So for instance here, if I want to choose an in, I hit I on the keyboard. I want to choose an out, and I will tell it to mark it as a favorite. You can see that it puts a green line only where I mark the ins and outs. And if you can do it multiple times on a clip. And I'll hit F on the keyboard, and I've made some ins and outs on that. So now I've got about 3 sets of ins and outs on one clip that I've made favorites. The good thing about this is that if you click on the green line itself, you will get those marks back. So you can save those marks for editing later if you don't want to put it in the timeline yet, and it's a good way to make some selections without actually having to edit it in. And also they will be in your favorites. When you go to favorites, that clip will also be in there. And you notice that it only takes the part of the clip that you marked in your favorites and not the rest of it. So if you've marked 3 sections as a favorite in a clip, it's only going to take those 3 sections in your favorites window. So that's my video on using ratings in FCPX. I hope you liked it. Thank you.